You can't believe I made this money through scalping using this indicator I'm about to show you right now. Alright, it's a very powerful indicator. Okay, you can't believe all this money was made through scalping. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Alright, very powerful indicator called the Scalping Pro Money Indicator. I'm going to be showing you step by step how I made this money. This is over $3,000.
Subscribe, like, comment, and share this video around the Forex community to help others achieve their dream.
Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video to everyone on the Forex community.
You're going to be starting with the scalpers, those that love scalping the markets. Okay, all right, try to install this indicator. Very important. Okay, this is very important. You want to be scalping the market and be collecting the money gradually. Okay, so you can either use the 1 minute time frame or your 5 minutes time frame. All right, I'm going to show you how to use the indicator on your 1 minute time frame. Okay, all right, you can see this is the reason why I took this trade. Look at it. I'm scalping the market. This is the reason why I took this trade you're seeing here. Okay, all right, I've seen this purple line here. Okay, resting on this part. I seen it resting like it's the chairman. I seen it. The same thing happens. You can see it rested on this 85 degrees. That's why I see it come down like this. All right, so now this thing has rested on this part here on the 0 degree. I seen it. That rested on the 0 and 15 degrees. It rested very well. I seen it. So I have to take a buy. All right, because I know this market is going up. Look at how it rested very well. I seen it. You can see it now because it rested here very well. Okay, like chairman, there is nothing to make it come down. Okay, you can see the purple indicator is even at the back. All right, where the other two has gone. Okay, and this indicates that this market is going to buy up. All right, so once you see something like this, okay, you can see it's resting down here. Okay, just take a buy. All right, take a buy. This one is not a mango. All right, remember the purple is going to rest together with what the other two. All right, so now what is happening is consolidating. Okay, so that it can be able to move up. I seen it is consolidating so that it can be able to move up. I seen it. So very soon it will fly. So let's check the 5 minutes time frame. You can see the 5 minutes time frame is also forming to fly. It's also forming to fly. All right, to fly up to this point here. Okay, 15 minutes time frame, because we are scalping. 15 minutes time frame cannot work as such. Okay, since it's scalping. All right, so use your 1 minute time frame, which has started flying already. All right, so at this point where the chairman, the 3 indicators resting down here. Okay, once they start resting and it's very tight down here, all right, around the 20 and 15 degrees. Okay, you take your buy. I seen you take your buy immediately. Okay, 1 minute and 5 minutes, that's what you should use for this. Okay, your 5 minutes and 1 minute time frame, that's what you should use for this. Okay, once it rests on this 20 and 15 degrees, I think you can see it's flying now. Once it rests here, you take your buy. You don't waste time. Take your buy. Look at where I put my line. Okay, this is where I'm going to take my profit. This is a complete loops that gives you the complete price action. Okay, it's a complete loops that gives you the complete price action. I seen it. So you can see it's flying now. It's flying up. Okay, so I'm going to, once it gets to this point, I'm going to take, in short, closer, I'm going to take my profits. Once it gets close, I'm going to take my profit. Okay, don't be greedy. All right, I've already placed. Look at, I've made $9. It's scalping. So I took the smallest lot size, and it's flatly 25. Okay, so you can see it's going. You can see it's going. This is where I place my target, my TP. Okay, this is my TP. So once it gets close, now I'll take my profit. All right, so that it won't, because it might decide to come down again and still continue going. So that first TP, I would like to take it. So now I will take my profit. It's close, and okay, let me see what I do. Okay, so I think I should take my profit here. The $10. Okay, you just take it. It's $10. So let's take it and wait for another opportunity. Okay, but what I know is that it must fly. All right, it will fly. I seen it. Once you see something like that, just know that it will fly. Okay, it will fly. Another market that has the same opportunity. Okay, let me start. Let me check for 1,000. Okay, this is 1 minute. The 1,000 doesn't have that opportunity yet. It's still far away. Okay, you can see this other one. Look at the opportunity here. Look at it. I seen it. It's very, very tight, around the 85. I seen it. Look at how it sold. I seen how it sold. Okay, so we're still looking at I seen this other one. You can see how it sold. You can see how it sold down. You can see how it sold down. Okay, even after the spiking, it still continues selling up, because it has to complete the loop, which is the price action. Look at this other opportunity. I seen it. Look at this other one. Look at how it sold down. I seen it. Even after the spike here, still continue selling down. I seen it to complete the price action. I seen it. So when you've seen it like that, you don't have to be greedy. Yeah, you can take your profit. At this point, you can take your profit. Don't allow it to sell down to the to the end. Just take your profit. So okay, let's see. Look at this other one. Okay, let's start from here. Look at this other one. I seen it. This is why it started resting. Okay, so even so far it has rested. Don't worry, it will be just going up and down, and finally it will take off. I seen it. It went straight down. So before it will get to this point here, you've taken your profit. Before it will get here, at least somewhere here close, you take your profit and leave. Look at how it sold. This one sold very well. Look at how it rested. You see, look at this place now. It did not rest here. Don't rest it. Look at where it then rested. I seen it. Immediately then rested on this 85 degrees. It took off. I seen it. As it rested on this 85 degree, it took off to this point. Okay, so it rested on this 85 degree, it took off to this point. You can see. So that is it. Let me show you others. There are a lot of them. Look at this other one. As it rested on this point here, what happened? That is for scalping. It took off. As it rested, the three of them must rest on this 85 degrees. Make sure they rest on this 85 degrees. After the resting, look at what happened. It took off. Alright, so it's for real. I'm looking for another market to trade. If I can get the same pattern, this one is trying to curve that rested, but you can see where it rested here on the 85 and it took off. I seen it. Look at it. So as it's selling down, look at your target here. So take it, take profit, but it still continues selling to complete up the other loop. I seen it. So this market sold to this point. Very sweet market. So this market is it will consolidate until it will rest fully. I seen it. So you don't be in a hurry. Okay, this is spike. I don't want to trade spike. I want to trade a selling market. So let me look for a selling market on this point now. Let's see. This one has gone. Look at where it rested there. I didn't catch it fast. I see where it rested there. So this market will continue going down. Chai. It's going to this point. I wanted to catch it from the beginning. You always take it from beginning when it's starting up. You can see how this one rested very well here. You can see how it rested very well. Feel that this market is coming down. I'm going to enter here now because I know this market is definitely coming down because I've seen it rested here. So I just a retest. So I'm going to enter this market now. I want to buy. Hello, all right. So you can see that it's going. Okay, you can see it's going. I'll take my profit close to the line you're seeing. All right, so you can see V75 is going. V75 is going. Guys, this is for real. This is for real. You don't need to stress yourself. Wait for the market to rest on this 20 and 15 degrees. All right, that's all. All right. Once you wait for it to rest on the 20 and 15 degrees, I seen it. Once you see it like this, this is where you're supposed to take your buy. Somewhere here. So we're supposed to take your buy. All right, then put your stop loss somewhere up here. Just extend it a bit and put it up here. All right, just move it up here. Put your stop loss somewhere here. Because I know it must surely go down. Put your stop loss up there. All right, so it's going. It's going. So I won't allow it to hit this line. Okay, just like the other one hit. Somewhere here I will take my profit and leave the market. Okay. Here it's going. I use the biggest loss side. This one because I have enough money. I'm using 0.5 on 75 because I'm very sure of it going my way. So it has gotten to the point I'll just take my profit now. I seen it. I'll just take my profit now. So this is it. I don't need to shout too much. I know what I'm doing. Look, the other one has hit 2.43. So I'm going to look for other markets and I'm going to take them. Okay, I'm going to buy or sell depending on the level of the market. Either buy or sell them. Okay, so today. A lot of money. I've made $2,313. Let me check for other markets. I'll check for other markets. Yeah, see this one. It mustn't wait until it hits. Check other ones. There are a lot of other opportunities. From what is happening here, it has rested again on this other. I seen it. It has rested. It has rested on it. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to take a sell. Look at it. It has rested. It's a good one to take. It's a good one to take. A good one to take. So what is the make sure you use the smallest lot size, or not that you go and be using a big lot size like I'm using. Okay, use the smallest lot size, not that you go and be using a very big lot size like I'm using. You can see it has rested here, so I'm taking a sell. I seen it. I'm taking a sell. So don't be greedy. I will take my profit right now. I seen it. So I will show you how much I've made. All right, from this. Look at it. $3,252. $3,250. No loss. I seen it. No loss. No loss. $3,252. That's how you'll be making your money. All right. All right. So that is it.
I'm feeling high.
Subscribe, like, comment, and share this video around the Forex community to help others achieve their dream.